Hi, how you going? So I'm doing another EDC kit video this week. I got a comment on my last one where I had my two kits. I'll link to that up here, or it might be up there, saying that I should try to make it more pocket friendly. So I decided to have a go at that and just sort of distill the kits down to exactly what I would need and into a package that'll fit in my pocket. So I got this little case. I got it off AliExpress. I think it's probably a copy of a Maxpedition, but it's made by Cosibate. I don't know if I'll link to that. I'll link to that in the comments. It came from AliExpress, but most of those dodgy sites have a version of it, and I think they even have them on Amazon. So I'll link to that in the comments. It's a great little case, and it does actually fit in my pocket even when I've got this much stuff in it. I tried to distill it down to exactly the stuff that I would need on a day-to-day basis, but I probably might have gone a little overboard. That does seem to be my way, but I'll show you what I've got in it, and you can decide. Let me know in the comments whether you think I'm carrying too much or whether you think this is an okay amount of stuff. So firstly, the case has these outside pockets, so I have a pen. I've got this little one. It's a Delphonics pen. It's a little wooden pen. I really like these Delphonics pens. They just feel nice in the hand. This one's quite small, but it does actually fit to write nicely. So yeah, I've thrown that one in there. I've had a few of these floating around for years and I really like them. They're quite a fine and I just like them. So that's in there. Next, I have, to go with that, just a little moleskin notebook. These are great little notebooks. This one I've used a little bit, but that slots in there nicely. It doesn't take up much space, but yeah, just a great little notebook. Also in that pocket, I also have a couple of, these are actually telephone and surface wipes that I think I got from a previous job, but they are just isopropyl alcohol wipes. They're disinfectant and they'll work to clean up stuff. So I've got a few of those in there. In the outside pockets here, firstly, I have a torch. This is a Olight 1R2, and this is the one with the USB-C charge. I've upgraded from my previous one, which required a mini cable. This one only requires the USB-C, which is great because that means I can just carry the one cable that works with my phone and the torch. So this has a sort of a dull light, and then it has the quite bright light, and this is more than you need for finding your way in the dark or finding things in a dark corner. They're great little torches. So next I have a knife. This is just a tiny, tiny little Victorinox sesame knife. It's only got scissors, a knife, and a file, and also this little point works as a screwdriver if you need it, and it's also got little tweezers in it, which is great to have. It takes up not a lot of space, and it's just a good one to have, and they're always really great quality, these. So that's everything in the outside pockets. So onto the inside pockets. Firstly, I just have a couple of Panadol and a couple of ibuprofen. I find I don't need them a lot, but when I need them, it's good to have them immediately and not have to go in search of some painkillers or some anti-inflams. So I've got them in there. This is something that I was debating whether I needed it or not, but I realised I'd used them a couple of times from my previous kits. So I put it in there, and this is just a tiny little tube of super glue. Once you screw the lid on, it opens up, and they're pretty much single use, but I got a bunch of those in a packet for a couple of dollars. So I've got that in there. I've got it in a bag in case it explodes, but it's probably not necessary, but it's really useful if you need it. The next thing is another thing that I'm not sure whether I need to be carrying on a daily basis, but it's in there. They're good to have, and I've used it to hold other things as well. So this is just Bic lighter. I've got a little cable tie around it so the gas doesn't trigger and you go to use it and all the gas is gone. And I also have a few meters of microcord around that. This microcord is really good and it's really strong. So I've got that in there should I need it. This is also another tool that I've got, which is just a little folding set of pliers. These fold down and you've got pliers, and on either end, on one end you've got a Phillips screwdriver and on the other you've got a flat. So, and that folds down to not a lot, and yeah, it's quite a good little set. Stuck to the back of that I just have a little rare earth magnet. One of those things that sort of really useful if you need it, if you're trying to pick up something metal with the string or that kind of thing. The next thing is a metre or two of gaff tape, rolled around a bit of plastic. I use gaff tape quite regularly, so it's always good to have some there. I also have a little thing, these Listerine pocket packs. They're these tiny little bits that you put one on your tongue. It dissolves and gives you fresh breath. Next, I just have one of these little compressed towels. They take up no space at all, and when you put water on it, they sort of come out to about that big, and they're really good just for cleaning, wiping things down, wiping yourself down. Good to have if you need it. The next thing I have is a USB charging cable. So I've just got this tiny little USB-C cable. I've got that there for charging the torch, for charging my phone. I'm not carrying a power bank in this kit because power banks are chunky and it's just not going to fit in there, and it's not going to fit in my pocket if I do jam one in there. So I've got this little USB-C cable with A on one end and USB-C on the other, and because I don't have the power bank and I'd possibly be charging using publicly available charging ports, I've also got the little USB data blocker in there as well. So what that means is you plug this into a public charging point and all you can get is power out of that point. There's no way that data can flow through it, so no one can sort of steal stuff from your phone plugging into a port that you're not sure who's behind the security of it. So they're a good little thing to have if you're using public charging points. The next thing I have is just this little medical kit. When I say medical kit, it's a couple of Band-Aids, a toothpick, which can be replaced as used, some safety pins, and I also have a needle that will work with the microcord, and that's just in a little piece of heat shrink tubing so it doesn't pierce everything. So that's there if I need it. That's there just sort of emergency repairs. I've had backpacks fail in the past, so that'd be enough to sort of sew the straps back on and I'd be able to use it until I got home and gave it a good fix. Getting towards the end now, I have a couple of these cloth cable ties. These are good ones to use to keep things together temporarily. So I use them on cables in my bags, on headphones, that kind of stuff. The next I have is some actual plastic cable ties. These are, there's a few of those there, and what I've got them in is 4 different sizes of heat shrink tubing. That I found this stuff really useful since I got a box of it, that for repairing cables, for repairing headphones, that kind of stuff, when the cable starts to fray, you put a piece of this over it, hit it with the lighter, the cable shrinks down and your headphones are going to last a little bit longer. In here I have a piece of microfiber cloth, and that is wrapped around. I got this idea from John Gadget and I kind of love it. So I have these little thin optics reading glasses. They are absolutely tiny. They're like barely thicker than a credit card. They can fold up if you need them to. They fold to nothing. I've just started wearing reading glasses, so having a pair with me at all times is good, just so I'm not straining my eyes. They clip onto your nose, and they actually work really well. I'm really quite happy with them. I've had them a few weeks and I've pulled them out a couple of times and I find them really great. So they're there if I need them. Digging through some boxes, and I found a packet of these little NFC tags. So you can charge these up exactly how you like. Hold them to your phone. It'll say, there you go. You can put any information in them. I'll just put my name, my phone number, my email address. If anyone finds the kit, they can get it back to me. So this is my EDC pocket kit. This is the stuff that I can put into this case, put in my pocket and carry every day if I like. Genuine EDC rather than my other ones, which are only there when I've got a bag with me. So yeah, let me know in the comments if there's any questions you have, or if you think that I'm missing something, or if you think that I'm carrying things that I don't need. And thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next week. Bye.